Hello everyone. I'm sad that I don't get to make this for you in person, but today I will show you how to make a healthy soda at home. But first things first, we're gonna wash our hands. In this video, I will be cutting some things, but of course, I'm sure not everyone is yet able to safely cut things at home. So this will need the assistance of a parent, but altogether, I believe this is the easiest recipe we do all year. So I would love to see you guys try this at home and send us your results. So with this recipe, you need three things. You need a lemon, a lime, and some sparkling water, which sparkling water is just soda water without any added sugars. So it's just carbonated water. The way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna squeeze out a little bit of lemon out into our receptacle, and that can be any cup or a larger container, however many people you would like to make it for. It's important when you squeeze out a lemon that you have your hand over it so you don't get any seeds into it, and that's why we washed our hands, because this will be going directly in there. So we're getting some lemon juice in there. You want it to go over your fingers like so, because as you can see, we've captured some seeds in there, and we don't want those going into our drink. I have quite a bit of lemon juice there. I think that should be enough for now. And then we'll squeeze out a bit of lime. I don't believe they have seeds really in them the way they're sold. And as you may note, I'm using a funnel just because this is a little messy and we want to get everything we want in there. And we don't have to squeeze out the whole lemons and limes. You just got to get a little bit in there, enough for the flavor. All right. Other thing we've done is I have already cut up some lemon and lime to go into the drink beforehand. This you'll have to get your parents to help you with unless they're comfortable with you using knives. So I'm gonna throw some of these in here for flavor. You don't have to use all of them, and this is a very inexact recipe, so you can use however much lemon and lime you want. And then the last thing we have to do is just pour in some soda water. So you see that bubbling nicely. We want a good bit in there. This is way bubblier than I thought it would be. And then I don't have my glass straw or metal straw, but let's see how it tastes. It smells nice and lemony and limey, citrusy. And yeah, that tastes good. It tastes like Sprite, but with not too much sugar in it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I hope that you can make this at home. We're not sure how to, but we'll try to figure out a way for you to be able to send your final products to us. And if we do that, you might get featured on our website. All right. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you have a nice day.